Something was in the sand. Something small. Something gold. Emily did not see it yet. But she was walking closer.
This morning, Emily walked to the beach. She woke up early, she put on her shorts, she took Lucky with her, and Lucky ran straight to the water. Then Lucky stopped. He put his nose in the sand. He dug and dug and dug. Emily looked at him.
She picked it up. It was a ring. A gold ring. It was beautiful. And it was heavy. Emily held it carefully. Emily looked at the ring. She thought, "Is this their ring?" She felt nervous. What if she was wrong? But she hadn't. She looked at the ring. Inside the ring, there were words. Small letters. She read, "Someone lost this ring.
No.
Someone was very sad. Maybe they were still here."
No.
Emily made a decision. She was going to find the owner. Emily looked around the beach. There were many people. But who lost the ring? She decided to ask. She walked to a family on the sand. The father looked at the ring carefully.
I am sorry, it is not ours.
That was the second no. The sun moved higher in the sky. It became very hot. Emily asked 5 people. No. Then 6. Then Lucky stood up. He looked toward the pier. He started to walk fast, then faster. Then he ran. Emily laughed. She said, "Okay, Lucky, let us go." Near the pier, Emily saw 2 people, a man and a woman. They walked very slowly. They looked down at the sand. She walked closer. The woman's eyes were red. She was crying. The man looked very worried. He searched. "Excuse me. Did you lose something?" Emily opened her hand. Sarah looked down. She saw the ring. Her face changed. "Oh my God!" She cried.
Daniel picked up the ring. He read the words inside. His hands shook. He looked at Sarah.
This ring is not just gold. It is our story. We laughed together. We cried together. We built a life together.
You gave me my story back.
Thank you. Thank you so much. We searched all morning. We thought it was gone forever.
You are very kind. This ring is not just gold. It is our story. We laughed together. We cried together. Emily watched them walk away. Daniel held Sarah's hand. Sarah looked at her ring and smiled. Emily looked at Lucky. She said, "Lucky, you found it first." Lucky barked. He was very, very proud. "Good dog, Lucky." Quick, the words from today. Ring, sand, relieved, heartbroken. Lucky likes that word. Which word do you remember? Now I have a question for you. Did you ever find something and return it? Or did someone return something to you? Tell me in the comments. Write in English, even one sentence. She walked along the wet sand. The water was cold and fresh. The sun was warm on her face. Lucky smelled. Emily sat by the water. She thought about the day. She found a ring. It was a good day. Today's story in 3 sentences. Emily found a gold ring. She searched the beach for the owner. She returned the ring to Daniel and Sarah. The feelings from today. Worried. Relieved. Grateful. Heartbroken. Determined. Overwhelmed. Now let us learn. Find, found. Walk, felt. Give, gave, cried. Lucky found the ring. Look how far we have come. Episode 1, Lucky found a home. Episode 2, we visited Minari, Pakistan. And more coming every week. Today's message is simple. Be kind. One small kind act can change someone's whole day. And when you help others, you feel happy too. That is the real lesson today. Welcome! Let's learn together. Please subscribe. Every week, a new adventure and new English. Next week, a very exciting place. See you then! Thank you for watching Emilly English Course. Learn English. One story at a time. Lucky says goodbye. He found the ring first. Good dog. See you next week. Watch another story now. And do not forget to subscribe. See you in the next story.